Hello everyone. In this video I'll be talking about beekeeping. Beekeeping is also known as apiculture. It is also known as apiculture. It is the process of rearing honeybees in artificial hives. Which are also known as apiaries for the production of honey. There are local varieties of bees which are used for the commercial honey production, which are Apis sirena indica, which is also known as Indian bee. The other species is Apis dorsata, which is also known as rock bee. The third species is Apis florii. It is known as little bee. Apart from these local varieties, there are foreign varieties as well. Foreign varieties which we use for commercial honey production. For example, Apis mellifera. It is also known as Italian bee. This particular species is introduced to increase the yield of honey. Apart from these, there are certain reasons such as they sting somewhat less, they stay in the given beehive for a longer period, and they breed well. Value of honey depends upon certain factors. There is one very important factor such as pasturage. It means the flowers or the plants available near the beehive. Flowers available to the bees for nectar. Please note that the taste of honey depends upon the kinds of flower it feeds on. The honeybee feeds on the nectar of the plants or the flowers. Now there are certain advantages of apiculture, such as we get honey. Apart from this, we get beeswax, which is used in cosmetic paints, etc. We also get bee venom. This bee venom is used to cure certain diseases such as gout or arthritis. Bees are also cross-pollinating agents. Bees helps in pollination. Apart from this, it also provides an additional source of income. To farmers. This is all about apiculture. If you have any question, you can leave a comment. Thank you so much for today and have a great day.